Just got for the spirit now. Glory!
I love it. I'm loving it.
Those eyes. Say prayers.
Pray Mama, pray Papa, pray to God to bless me and make me and go little child classic. Amen.
Amen. The cheese going in.
Cheese in
No, me say if listen if we all right, party day. Today's definitely party day. So this
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in JA. Where I wish that was actually true, but JA is always in my house and in my heart, so it is what it is. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new school morning, the last day of the week. It's the weekend, so we are going in strong and finishing strong and doing what we're supposed to do around here. Babe woke up this morning early and left out for work. He's out of the city today, so I have a little drive to do. Me on the other hand has been up. I got my workout in because alone this morning because Babe didn't get his workout in because he left out so early, so he'll fall back on the weekend with a workout session. So the kids have been up, they ate the breakfast, got ready for school, and now we are about to head out. So let me go and let you guys say a quick hello to the kids before they head to school, because I'm also heading on the road to do the girly girl stuff, but we'll talk about that first. Look at them.
Hello. Hello.
What are you two doing?
Please.
What you playing, Ty? You're playing with your sister and her dolls?
Yes.
Oh, you're a sweet big brother. Sarah, what you doing?
I'm playing.
But you know it's time for school, right? You gotta tell the dolls, see you later.
Later.
So see you later, Dolly. Okay, put the dolly to sleep on the couch over there and let's go to school. Tyler, you too.
Yes. I'm just taking off the clothes.
You're too funny. Come on, Ty.
Look like
You want a pee-pee? Baby's in the living room. Let's go pee-pee and go get... You look like me?
Afro.
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 Yeah. Baby's on the table, Sarah. Come, let's go get baby. Go look on the table, you see baby. Go on.
I'm putting the clothes here.
Lights out. Lights out. Very good. You want to pee-pee?
Yes.
Okay, go do that and we can go. Yes, Sarah. You found it? Okay, let's go pee-pee now. Put Chase and Sky in your bed. Her pups. Put Chase and Sky to sleep until later, okay? Tell them see you later. Go put them down.
See you later.
Good job. Come. Go, Sarah. Tyler, go.
Okay.
Go. Catch her. Stop. Stop running. Sarah, walk. Walk, Sarah. Sarah, no running. Go. Okay, run, go on. But slowly, run slowly. Yes, like that. This is the secret about Daniel's house. And Danny will be making patty. I told you guys I'm going on a patty mission. So, Danny is going to teach me her method of making patty. And if I try this and it come out good, then I'll get to share it with you guys on my food channel. So, come Danny, tell us what you're doing and what you have in here.
Okay, so all I have so far is just the 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, seasoning, sorry, not yet. Curry. And then I have a little bit of salt, and then I add the butter. I find when you shave the butter in, it actually gives it a better consistency. consistency. Then a little bit of cold water. And then a teaspoon of oil, and then you just mix it. You let it sit
so
for 20 minutes.
you're doing it at the short crust pastry method, or you're mixing it with a spoon or something?
First you mix it with the spoon, but then I'm
to blend everything up.
To get the butter in there.
Go on, goodie. Let me see what go. And then when the dough is formed, you put it in the fridge to sit, or what?
20 minutes. So while that's, I put it in the fridge for 20 minutes, and then I will cook the filling.
Alright.
Yes. The pressure is getting worse now.
How we got? No, Sam, I love this. I love this. Come, you guys, look. Checking the ingredients. Cause we gonna try this at home after today, you know, because Tyler is going to tell me that, Mama, you bring my patty for me. Hey, babe, make sure tell me this morning, honey, bring me back patty. So everybody waiting on Daniel patty. And you see a little bit of dough with Daniela make. I don't know which pressure go this a little bit of dough for so much mouth. Yes, please.
Okay, so then 4 cups.
Yeah, girl. Because by the time me done eat today before everybody get them share. None not going left.
Miss Tash going to get it? Because I don't get no my sister.
Miss Sarfia. Guys, I'm fascinated by this. I wonder if I can find it on Amazon. Look at this. Look at this patty cutter.
Look at how old the box is.
That Danielle have. This is amazing. What is it called? Handy cook. You guys, tell me I can find this on Amazon. Look at this. This is so perfect. It's not even funny.
And I have other ones inside.
This is late. The original Papa's hand. This looks so good. It's like you don't have to worry about cutting out. And funny enough, it does the circles and the shaping, because you use one side to do the circles and then the other. This is bad. This is bad.
And you can make a pastry.
Yeah, girl. Hello, nobody encourage me to go buy this, you know, because I'm not going to stop make things. Okay. You know, short crust pastry was one of my favorite things to do at food school when I used to go to catering school. Kitchen is my life. I guess it's because I used.
Should be doing it.
I used.
I should tell you what
no,
you need to do,
it's on the flip side today. I'm watching. I guess because me used to get slap fisty in the kitchen with my dad.
Yeah.
So it's.
See? Like this one, it's not hard enough, so it's not.
You took it out of the fridge long time?
I just think it was a while ago. It's just that I just bought it.
I was about to say it's probably the type of cheese.
The type of butter, yeah.
The type of butter. You mean about cheese?
It's alright. It's good. Anyways, yeah, so.
Yeah, girl, get in there. Sit down in the kitchen. Hey! Look, me I'll record it so you can see.
Just rub it in your face.
I'm even recording it so you can see the process. You can probably try it if you wish.
Sorry. Oh my goodness.
You guys, Tashika was supposed to be here, and unfortunately, fortunate for me, that she won't be here, so I'll get her share. Yeah.
She's supposed to be here, but she's not here.
No, me don't want to tell them that. Me just tell them, so you're not going to hear and me get your share. That's all they need to know. That's all they need to know, so me go get your share.
I'm going to hear you.
At time you'll probably see the crumbs hanging around. You'll probably see the crumbs hanging around. As a matter of fact, you don't have to call to ask which apartment, because you'll smell the aroma from downstairs. The crumbs, honey, the crumbs, the crumbs, the crumbs, the crumbs. The crumbs. The crumbs. Crumbs, girl.
See, so now you get to the crummy.
Yeah, that look good. Girl, you know what I see? You know what? You know what? You don't want to see. Do it look nice, you see? Girl, the flower and everything. It's all coming together. It's all coming together very nicely.
I cannot with you.
But you know rather take the rod or have like a hope that no, so you only gonna get the crumbs when it done. Eh? Which one you rather? You rather get the rod door and know you have like a hope of probably making it yourself, or you rather just get the crumbs? You choose. You have to choose your battle wisely, you know. You put the jerk seasoning in it already?
No, I have this one. So it's like a hot one.
Okay, so you won't put any other hot nothing.
It's up to you if you want it. I can add it in it.
No. Oh, but in my head, normally you put the...
In there.
Oh, but you put some of this in this too?
Man. Yeah. I put, since it's 4 cups now, I put 2 teaspoons of this and 2 teaspoons of that.
Oh, but this one is hot curry.
Yes.
Yeah, girl.
Because it's with so I can add the spice.
Yeah, girl. This looks shot. Me say, some people would. Girl, the door look nice, you see? Me say, the door look nice. Okay, so what I realize is that you're doing a kneading motion instead of a short crust just come together kind of thing. Okay, so when you knead it like this, it's not going too tough? No? This is interesting to me. Tappy nice, me I learn. So me not have to come hang the next time. Oh, me have to get it right.
You see how it still crumbles?
Oh, yes? Me realize.
Just again.
Me make sure say me I take in every metal, because when you're Daniel, they are by myself and make without me. Me have to learn to make it on my own. Me not take no check. So now Danny doing the fillet, the mixture that's going to go with the minced beef. So we have tomato, onion, and sweet pepper. No garlic? You don't put garlic in it?
See, thank you.
Yeah. Look how she get the garlic. Yeah. And then she gonna blend this up and do with the minced beef. So I tell myself that I need to buy filling time.
Having up the meat.
Oh, that sounds so. That does sound right. That does sound right. Stop up the meat. Yeah, go on, man. Stop. That does sound right. If Tash did it, I should have dead. And the pepper is just
It's good? Perfection.
You guys, look at the filling. Oh my, and this is just 1 pack of meat. This is this much?
Because even
well, I guess maybe because I use a bigger pot, because it's the same size one I buy.
Ah, okay. No, because by the time, the thing is with this, if you see this, you can't put too much filling because it's shallow. Yes. The last time I did that, and it bust up.
Alright, you guys, so filling ready. All the things that Danny blend, she threw it in there. And yeah, that's it. Gonna make the pastries now. Roll out the dough, goodie. Funny.
And then it just come out flat.
Rolling out the dough.
Roll.
This is gonna be the challenging part for me, to get the dough right. But once I have the ingredients and the method right, I'll get it.
Yeah, because that's the thing. It's just the. You'll see when it come out, because it's not the flaky crust I get. But for me, it's still good. It hits spot.
This is interesting. The crust, I need to see how your crust come out. This size look okay. So I love the color. I love the color.
I'm gonna have to do another one anyway, so it don't make any difference.
I love the color.
So you see how small it is, right? You literally can only put 1 spoon
Okay.
In here,
so you just
so-
put it on the side.
I just make it and I put it on the side.
Okay. All right, you guys, pay attention closely. So when we're doing this on our own, friends, we know what to do. Pay attention.
Too much. See, literally just 1 spoon you put in.
Okay.
So it's like 1 little bite. And then my favorite part.
You close it. Oh, you close and push. Okay,
So
to lock the edge.
To lock the edge. And then.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Danny, me I go on Amazon go look for this. I am going on Amazon to look for this.
And then I have to put the egg wash on it.
Oh my gosh. And it's the perfect size.
Don't.
Oh, it's so cute.
The cuteness is.
Oh my gosh.
And like you see, this one was a little bit. It shrink when I took it off, so you have to make sure that it cover.
Okay.
See, like it too.
Oh, so you have to cut it and do them right away. You can't put them
this
down
one
because it shrink up.
So you just make sure you spread it. If not,
How long this bake for?
20 minutes.
Okay.
I put this on 180.
Okay.
And then again, you just also with this one, because as I said with the altitude here, you just check to see if it's cook on, if it's to your liking on the outside, because I like mine crunchy. So
Yes, this one is for Tashika. Tashika no show up, so she get in the ugly one. The cheese go with it. Cheese in there. No, me say if listen if me say why me feel like we are gonna make patty this weekend.
no,
Why me feel like why do I feel like I'm going to make patties this weekend? They're so tempting. My heart can't take it. Like you guys, finished product. Look there. Me ready to eat right now. Me not even now wait for them cool. Patties all done, you guys. Look at that. Ready to eat the patties. Look at the juice running out, you guys. Jesus. And them firm and feel nice.
Anything?
Oh my god.
One thing, make
more left. Then you can roll a dough in the one. I told me I make mine, but now we see it. Here, napkin, you guys. I'm going in for the first kill. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
You can take a picture, see.
Tash sent. Oh god.
Tash.
Oh Jesus, take the wheel.
Take it in.
I'm making this weekend.
For real? You see what I said about the dough? It's not the flaky consistency.
Okay. It's not the flaky consistency, but it's still.
It hit the spot. It's alright because it has a little bit of flavor. It has okra. I'm happy you like it. Good.
Hold on.
Good.
Wait.
I wait for the other one with the cheese.
I'll take one more bite first.
Wait, the other one. See, oh, this is perfect. I don't need this.
Wait, but the crust is still perfect. I mean, you don't have the flake falling like
the flake that
Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
But it's still
It can
okay.
do. It can do. See, that's
But-
the only thing I'm trying to perfect is the crust. The flavor.
On point. Flavor. You guys. Let me show you guys. Wait. I have to show them. I have to show you guys up close. Come camera, don't do that. Don't flap push more right now. See there? You guys look at it. It wet. Yes, it wet up. It's juicy.
It's juicy.
Look at that. Jesus. Tashika, I feel bad for you. I feel hurt that you're not here. You guys look at that. Oh my God. No. Okay, I have to make this for my family because this is normal. Baby. Look there. The juice.
How little song again? Listen. Is it blend when you blend the stuff and put it in? That's what makes the difference.
Oh my days. The only thing is, what can you do to get it a little flakier?
That is the thing with the crust. That's what I can't figure out.
Maybe instead of kneading motion, how about the short crust pastry motion? Have you ever think about that?
True.
So instead of going like this,
Yeah.
go like this.
Yeah.
And when you do that, when you want the dough to come together, just put it together like this instead of kneading. Maybe,
yeah.
just maybe, it might flake.
I'm going to try that this weekend. I have to do another batch for hubby.
This guy for the spirit that. Glory!
I love it. I'm loving it.
You guys, this is the cheese set. Look at that. Look at that. Danny says she put a little bit more meat in it. The only thing I'm afraid of when I am going to make it is that I don't have the little cute thing. All right, see the difference between the first set we don't have the cheese and the set that have the cheese. Danny,
Yeah.
this is the color, Danny.
Yeah. Put
Danny,
it on broil a
this is
little
the
bit
color.
longer.
This is the color. So now we learn with this
Feel the
one.
texture, yeah.
You make this one stay a little bit longer to make it get a little bit brown. Because look at them on here.
Very nice.
This one is it. Hi guys, I haven't talked to you guys since I got back home. I have been home for a while. And I was serious when I said I'm going home to make these patties because I came home and I started the process and I'm well on my way. I picked up my babies from school. Say hello to Face.
Hello.
And look at him tipping. And they're going to have Auntie Danielle's patty. Tyler is pretty excited to have Auntie Danielle's patty for dinner. And mine is on its way. So I won't show you guys the process of mine because I already show you guys the process of Danny's own. But if mine turn out good, I'll share the recipe with you on my food channel. And my food channel is overdue some videos, so I'll definitely be sharing it with you guys. If mine don't come out good, I'll share Danny's one with you. But yeah, the kids are excited to eat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sarah, say hello to Faves.
This is what I want.
Wait, because I want to film my reaction for Auntie. Alright you guys, patty's going in the oven. Alright, patty day. Today is definitely patty day. So this is all I got from the batch of patties that I did. I am going to taste and tell you guys how it is. Bedtime for everybody.
Hello.
What you doing?
I'm doing writing and drawing.
Okay.
Voulez-vous un café? Oui, merci. Avec du sucre, s'il vous plaît.
Those eyes. Say prayers.
Pray Mama, pray Papa, pray to God to bless me and make me and go little child classic Amen.
Amen. Ok. Dis-moi, le jour de la semaine. Look at mama.
Look there.
Yeah, but don't look at it. Say it.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Bravo! Tu as quel âge?
C'est 3 mots.
Very good. Appelle ton nom.
S-A-R-A-H.
Bravo.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, Sarah. Bye bye.
Bye.